Hey everyone, this is Kristen Obar, and this is my quality physical education assignment. Pretty much about me is I'm a hard worker, honest, passionate, dependable, compassionate, and organized. Why do students need quality PE? Quality physical education is an essential element in formative growth of children and adolescents. It teaches them to make healthier choices. Students need to understand the difference between food and physical activity. Exercise makes the brain work at its best. It also increases mood and self-esteem, which all secondary students need. Some necessary components of a quality physical education program: it should be clean, neat, organized, and safe area to operate. Optimal use of all available facilities, spaces, professionally decorated walls and bulletin boards. It needs to have rules posted, maximum movement, meaningful content, state and nationally aligned objectives, creativity, and most important, fun. Also, these are some of the must-haves that I would like to have in my PE classroom. These are some of my wish list items. Coming from a smaller school, we really didn't have hardly any of these things. I came from a school where our biggest class was 24. So when I got to JSU, I had no idea what a gator ball was, or golf games, or racquetball. Our sound system might have worked half the time. We had no Wii, no softball, nothing like that. So these are my wish list items. An emergency plan is something that all students should know and you should have posted somewhere in your gym. The different types are lockdown, tornado, fire, active shooter, and intruder. It should be gone over and over again throughout the school year, and it should be reviewed and revised as needed. This is an example of an emergency plan for a school. Fundraising plan. Finding the money for expensive equipment, repairs to existing equipment or facilities, and general PE wish list items can be quite a challenge. There are a few different ways I would choose to do this. The ones that I found most interesting are the snack sales and the halftime raffle, which it wouldn't be a halftime raffle. I would do it something differently for the PE setting. You can also do some grant writing proposals, focus on the needs of the money and the benefits of the students in the struggling economy, mention efforts in fighting obesity, and do your research to find out what is available. There is also state allotted teacher money. When available, usually first thing to go during preparation. All purchases should be logged in your inventory and documented accordingly to the school policy. You can also ask the community for support. Write congressmen or senators. Ask principal if funds are available for specific items, and also send thank you notes out accordingly. As teachers, we always need to protect ourselves. In the information management plan, always file things in two different places, digital and on paper, just in case something crashes or you lose an object. Whether it's accidents, incidents, behavior issues, grades, special needs, accommodations, or proof of contact with parents or other colleagues, you should always cover your assets. You must develop your own method of gathering specific to your style and need. Then organize it in such a way to make it accessible in case of need for reference documentation. Examples of pertinent information to have easy access would be name, grade, special education accommodations, must remain confidential, but must document and be able to prove that accommodations outlined by the student's IEP are met in your classroom. You also need medical accommodations, history, or special need, and you also need extracurricular interests and activities and contact information for parents or guardians.